Hi everyone, this is your math guru. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Today, I'm going to show you how to find the value of x and the size of each angle as shown in the following examples. In the first example, I have a straight line with angles 3x and x plus 20. I know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So if I add 3x plus, I'm going to put my expression in a bracket. This should give me 180 degrees. And the reason is straight line. Always remember to give your reason. If I open up the bracket, 3x plus, because I have an invisible one here, that's going to be 1 times x. That's x plus 1 times 20, 20 equals 180. If I collect like terms, I have 3x plus x, that will give me 4x plus 20 equals 180 degrees. Using the balance method, if I take out 20 degrees from both sides, whatever you do on your left, you do on your right. This cancels. I'm left with 4x equals 180 minus 20 is 160 degrees. Then to find x, I divide both sides by 4. 4 here 1. I'm left with x equals 160 divided by 4 is 40 degrees. So the value of x is 40. To find the size of each angle, the first one I have 3x, and already I know that my x is 40. So I'm going to replace my x with 40 degrees. 3 times 40, that will give me 120 degrees. For the second angle, I have x plus 20. I know that my x, as shown in the previous calculation, is 40. I'm going to add that to my 20, and that will give me 60 degrees. And my check, 120 plus 60 will give me 180 degrees. That is the angle, sum of angles on a straight line. In the second example, I have angles 2x minus 50 and 3x. If I add that together, that is going to give me 180 degrees. And the reason is the straight line. All angles on the straight line add up to 180 degrees. If I expand the bracket, I have 2x minus 50 plus 3x equals 180. 2x, if I collect like terms, 2x plus 3x, that will give me 5x. I still have my minus 50 equals 180 degrees. To get rid of my 50 degrees, because it's minus 50, using the balance method, I'm going to be adding 50 degrees to both sides. 180 degrees plus 50. This cancels. I'm left with 5x equals 230 degrees. And to get rid of my 5, I divide both sides by 5. 5 here 1. And I have x equals 46 degrees. To find the value of each angle, I have 2x minus 50. I have 2. I'm going to replace my x with 46 minus 50. This will give me 46 times 2. I have 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1, 92 degrees minus 50. And from there, I have 92 minus 50 will give me 42 degrees. Likewise, 3x, I replace my x with 46. 46 times 3 will give me 138 degrees. And if I add 42 degrees plus 138, that will give me 180 degrees. That's the sum of angles on a straight line. In the next example, I have my straight line angles splitted into 3. I have my 2x plus, I'm going to use my bracket for my expression, plus 45 degrees plus 2x minus 50 equals 180 degrees. If I expand the brackets or open up the brackets, I have 2x plus x plus 45 plus 2x minus 50 equals 180 degrees. I'm going to collect the like terms. I have 2x plus x and then plus 2x. That will give me 5x minus 5, 45 minus 50 equals 180 degrees. Using the balance method, I'm going to get rid of my 5 by moving it to the other side. So that means I'm adding 5 degrees to both sides. This cancels. I'm left with 5x equals 185. And dividing both sides by 5 to find my x, I have x equals 37 degrees. The first angle, I have 2x, and I know that my x is 37 degrees. So I'm going to multiply 2 by 37, and that will give me 74 degrees. For my second angle, I have x plus 45. My x is 37 degrees plus 45. If I add that together, that's going to give me 82 degrees. And the last angle, I have 2x minus 50. I know my x is 37 minus 50. That will give me 74 degrees minus 50. And my answer to that is 24 degrees. If I add all my answers, 74 degrees plus 82 plus 24, it's going to give me 180 degrees. And that's the sum of angles on a straight line. Let's look at one more example. Similar to my last example, I have a straight line with angles 4x plus, going to put my expressions in the brackets, 25 degrees plus x minus 7. This must be equal to 180, reason being it's a straight line. Sum of angles of the straight line add up to 180. If I open up the bracket, I have 4x plus x plus 25 plus x minus 7 equals 180 degrees. If I collect like terms, I have 4x plus x, that is 6x plus 25 minus 7 plus 18 degrees equals 180. If I take out using the balance method, I take out 18 degrees because it's plus 18. I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. That's 180 degrees minus 18. This cancels. I'm left with 6x equals 180 degrees minus 18 will give you 162 degrees. And to get rid of my 6, I'm going to divide both sides by 6. Therefore, my x is 27 degrees. For each angle, the first one I have 4x. I know that my x is 27, so I'm going to multiply 27 by 4, which will give me 108 degrees. For the second one, I have x plus 25. My x is 27 plus 25. This will give me 52 degrees. And the last one, I have x minus 7. That will be 27 degrees minus 7 degrees. That will give me 20. And my check is, if I add 108 plus 52 plus 20, that's going to give me 180 degrees. Thanks for watching. Bye.